Hi everyone! Today we're going to be finding unknown angle measures. This is going to feel a little bit of a review for you because this year we've already done some of this work. We've already looked at angles and tried to figure out the measure of an angle that was missing. One of the things we need to understand and hold in our minds before we do this work is the measurement of different benchmark angles. Let's think about what that means. So if I come over here and I look at this circle, I say to myself, well, I know a circle is 360 degrees. If I look at this right angle, I can say to myself, well, I know a right angle is 90 degrees. Here's a straight line or a straight angle. A straight angle is 180 degrees. So if I'm looking for missing unknown angle measures, all I have to do is say to myself, I come over here for example. This angle here is 210 degrees. I want to figure out the measure of this unknown angle. If the whole angle is 360 degrees and this angle is 210 degrees, then what I say to myself is 360 minus 210 equals 150 degrees. The unknown angle measure here is 150 degrees. Let's look at this angle. This angle here measures 90 degrees. It's the corner of a table. I know that this little angle here is 3 degrees. So what would be the measure of angle W? Well, if I know that this is 90 and I know that this is 3, then 90 degrees minus 3 degrees will give me the measurement of this unknown angle.